It's a little known fact that IKEA has a 365-day return policy, but keep your receipt. For some lighting solutions, here we have for $59.99 a fat 5-track LED ceiling track. So 5 of them, 5 spots, and they look like you can point them in different directions. Also found out this year that you can put them in an RV. Just the light bulbs have to be 12 volt compared to the regular in a house. Just the bulbs, that's all you have to change. Here's an idea for a quick lantern. And they sell these inserts that are battery operated. You put it in a jar and you can put it anywhere to light up the room. $7.99 mat, that's suggestive. Like, time to remove your shoes, you're coming into my home, aka RV. Here's a little kit as we discover the walls are very weak inside a RV. These are screws with their corresponding anchors, and then a drill with the bits and the sizes to match and fit these. Prices are $8.99 for the kit, $19.99 for the screw. All the blinds I was showing earlier, they're good for replacements. Here's the nice thing. They have different measurements and sizes and different prices. What you can put on the rail is sold here. Bunch of different colors and assortments, different sizes, and they all have hooks, which would match up with those rails from earlier. Out of different, yeah, as you see, this little small package here becomes 1, 2, 3, 4 tiers for bath towels. And here's your price, $9.99. There are your measurements. This one's a 16 piece, so 4 of each for $4.99. Perfect for the RV. Want to update your RV with under drawer LED lighting? Here's a solution for $34.99, and it has 4 pieces. They all tie in, and it's right off of the main, and here's where you control different colors. I'm worried if this video will be too long, but you can put photos. You basically can label what goes in there, and it is the storage box with a lid for $6.99. So it's $6.99 each, but you can put items there, get rid of clutter. It's magnetic and it's about 22 inches wide. Here's another solution. It is a magnetic knife rack for $15.99. And there are the specifics. In regards to the measurements, we have no idea. Let me measure. Also available in black. Again, it can tuck away underneath any shelf. And you can hang all sorts of items as shown over here on the right. So here's a great storage solution. It's a rail that'll fit under any area. And the 22-inch rail is $8.99. The 31-inch rail is $9.99. And for $3.99 you get a 5-pack of these hooks, which can be used to hang pots, mittens, anything in the kitchen. Here's another storage solution for $5.59. It's 15 by 12 inches and it's white. And this is what it looks like to organize a drawer, utensils potentially. Solutions for under the sink trash. I have the measurements, but it's really a large trash can, but very narrow. So in tough locations, and they have multiple different sizes. Here's another solution. It is a rail and 22.5 inches wide, $8.99. And as you can tell, as long as you have hooks, it comes with the hooks, and now you can maximize the space in your kitchen. Unexpected bonus. These shades roll up and down, and it kind of gives you an idea of how much light It locks out. So to replace and update some RV shades, these are the kind that where you stop, it stops. Units are 13 by about 14. Here's another idea, and this one, the shelves are customizable, so you can move them to different areas. The price is pretty nice as well. Everyone's always looking for a shoe solution. Here's a small shelf where you can fit many shoes. And here are the measurements and the price. Here's a neat drawer organizer for $12.99. Measurements on it are 15 by 34 by 1 inch and 3/4 high. Looks like a little brother to it. Made by the same company, but it's smaller, but it doesn't have a price on it. The large one is about 9 inches long. The smaller one is about 5. And the width on both is about 5. This set of 2 is $10, but it'll keep things organized. They come apart, but the lid secures on really well. The smaller piece and the larger piece. You can put this to keep things organized in the RV. Maybe remotes, that sort of thing. So these towels right here from IKEA allow you to hang it on a hook, so you save space. And you could use those hooks that are made by the command strips, but it's a bath sheet and it has a little hook. So sometimes you're just driving and out of nowhere you run into people you know. So this lady behind us is our friend Adriana, who did scream at us, get out of her way because she's trying to merge, and we didn't realize it, we were trying to say hi. Hi, Adriana. Good morning, YouTubers. This is JB, and headed over here to IKEA, looking at some space-saving ideas for the RV. I'm gonna show you guys some items and go through the benefits and the cost. That way you have an idea of what you can buy there and what it'll set you back. I'm also gonna measure them for you. Thanks.